My name is Patrick, and I've been with Menzies for 1 year now. I'm an aircraft cleaner, and then it has been an awesome experience. It is a prestigious company, and it's an international one. Back home in Ghana, I was seeing Menzies at Kotoka International Airport. I was coming to London and going, and anytime I walked to Kotoka, I saw people with Menzies Aviation. And I think I've done a couple of stories about Menzies because I was writing for the Ghana Civil Aviation. And I applied. And lo and behold, I got the chance for the interview. And I've joined. Now here I am. To be at the airport, particularly Heathrow, you have to be somebody who is level-headed, pay attention to details, and then somebody who is trusted. Working with Menzies is a privilege. So when you are coming in, you have to get yourself prepared and make sure you are contributing to this multinational company. Because the company is good and the people in there are lovely. You see so many people and you will enjoy working with Menzies.